And a beloved Prophet said. It's hadith in Sahih Muslim. Hadith number 161. The Prophet said that when a person dies, after he dies, only three things continue when he comes back. Only three things continue as Sawab Jariyah. Number one is the wealth that you spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number two is the beneficial knowledge. The knowledge which is beneficial for humanity. And number three, your pious children praying for you. So if you want Sawab Jariyah from your children, if your children are not pious and if they pray for you, no benefit. So if you want your children to be Sawab Jariyah for you, first you have to make them pious, and then they should pray for you. So it's the duty of every Muslim